Testing, testing. Okay. Hello. Today we are going to explore how to create a budget using Excel's templated budgets that they have already pre-loaded and ready for download on their system. So the first thing you're going to do is open Excel, and you can do that. This is their icon down here. So you can find that icon on your desktop, or you can search it on however you launch your programs and just launch it that way. So the first thing that's going to happen when you open Excel, you're going to be prompted to, if you want a new, create a new document or open an existing document. So today we're going to create a new document. And this is where it is that you can search for the various templates that are available to you. So we are going to create a budget, and so the first thing that might be helpful for us in creating this budget is to search for budgets. You can either click this icon here because it's something that is suggested, or you can type budgeting into this toolbar. So we're going to make it easy on ourselves and click that. Awesome. And so this is where you are going to find all of the different options available to you in creating a monthly budget. So we are going to create a personal budget today. So we'll use this basic personal budget, and you can, it's going to either give you an option to download or create. And so if it's something that you haven't used before, it might have you download it. But today we're just going to hit the create icon. Awesome. Okay. And so because it's a template, Excel has done a little bit of the work for us in that they are giving you a little bit of a description of what you can do. So it's saying to create a basic personal budget in this workbook, you're going to add your total and annual expenses, and then it's telling you to enter more details in your income table. So that's just going to give you a little bit of a basic background, and so you can just click out of it, and that's how you kind of get it to go away. So we have our 12 months up at the top, and the annual is here. And actually, if you notice, what's really important is in this field right here. It's in this field right here. It's asking you. It's showing you the already existing formula that's been entered. So you don't have to actually enter any formulas into this because it's a template. They've done all of the hard work for you. So let's just kind of start by filling it in. So you notice that you have two tabs, a summary tab and an expense tab. And so your summary tab is going to give you, it's going to take what you input into the expense tab and carry it over up here. And so instead of having all of your expenses itemized on one sheet, it has it separated into two. So let's start with the expenses. So we're going to just kind of roll through and do 1 month and make it kind of easy. So let's just say in a perfect world, our mortgage is $100. Okay, that's a little lofty. Let's put 500. We've got groceries, let's say, and then remember we're doing this for a month. So let's say we're going to do $250 a month, gas, 100 in a perfect world, and we'll just kind of fill some fun numbers in here. And then maybe we don't need any plane fare or gym fees, no magazines. And so you can see our total expenses for the month are $925. But what's really cool is that in these category columns, these are not formulas, so you can totally enter your own categories and do whatever you'd like. And you can unselect them. So like, let's say you don't want to put vacations on here, just unselect it and it goes away. So when we take it back to the summary tab, you can see that we're at negative 925. And so it's negative because we have yet to put any wages in. So let's say for the month we make, let's say, $2,500. Any interest or dividends that you might have. So let's just say we're going to put $50. And then miscellaneous, like if you have any expense checks that come in or something, you might do like an additional $60. And so you can see that your income for the month totals at $2,610. Your expenses total at $925. So your net, your cash shortage or extra is $1,685. And so that is a perfect way. And then you've kind of got your budget started, and you can see that it is calculating the total for you at the end of the year. And so as you fill these in, this will update, and you'll have your year income as well as your year expenses, and then your net. And so that's just a basic start to how you could create a personal budget. Now, you could create this spreadsheet all on your own, but Excel has essentially created a shortcut for you to be successful by allowing you to use their templated version. Well, I hope you've enjoyed and look forward to building more of these with you in the future.